Let's get to the point. May bagong halo-halo si Chowking, yung Coco Mango halo-halo. And limited time lang ito, by the way. And I tried a total of 2 items, and let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. I tried it sa Chowking branch along Timog Avenue in Quezon City. By the way, mabait and magaling ang staff dito. In fairness sa staff ng mga Chowking and ng other fast food restaurants in general, magagaling sila. Magaling din ang security staff member the night that I visited. Pag nalilito ang mga customers sa order screen, tumutulong siya. Sana alagaan din siya ng Chowking management. The 2 items I tried were, number 1, lumpiang Shanghai rice meal, 100 pesos. May drink na ito and may cropek pa. Love na love ko talaga ang cropek. Number 2, I added an extra 79 pesos for a small Coco Mango halo-halo. Pero if you buy this separate from a meal, the cost is 99 pesos. The lumpiang Shanghai, kahit mukhang barquillos ang shape, in fairness kay Chowking, malaman naman and masarap ang flavor ng filling. However, I wish mas crispy ito. Pero to be fair, masarap naman siya for me for this price. Nagustuhan ko rin yung sauce, sour and spicy siya in a good way. The cropek, love ko rin. And I love na included siya sa mga rice meals kasi extra ulam din siya. Ako lang ba ang nagko-combine sa cropek sa rice? Speaking of rice, surprisingly good quality ito for this price. The Coco Mango halo-halo has coconut ice cream on top. May coconut bits din sa loob. And may nakita rin akong nata de coco pieces. Paki-correct na lang ako if I'm wrong. And may mango cubes. Delicious naman siya pero napansin ko lang, pag hinalo mo na ang halo-halo, nawawala na ang coconut flavors. Na-overpower siya ng mango and naglalasang mango halo-halo na lang. So I suggest Chowking reduce the mango pieces a bit para mas umangat ang coconut or at least magpantay. Sayang kasi bagay ang mango and coconut flavors combined. I hope Chowking also can look into the quality of the ice kasi parang I remember before, smoother ang ice nila. Pero other than that, I super respect Chowking for this creative twist to a well-loved Filipino dessert. And shoutout talaga sa hardworking and maalagang staff sa Chowking branch na ito and sa other fast food restaurants out there. Click follow for the next story.